Hello guys, this is Purushottam. I hope you're doing great. Welcome to tomorrow's status. So in this video, I'm going to explain about what are the candlesticks. So you have to understand about candlesticks. So then only you can able to read the price action. So I will tell you very clearly. So if you missed to watch my previous video to how to download this application, just check that video and download this application, then only it will be easy for you to understand about candlestick. So if you are downloaded, just click on any stock, you will find like this. These are the candlesticks. Actually you see here, there are two types of candles, like two colors of candles. One is in red, one is in green. Okay, so usually when you look at a stock, the price will swing up and like it will go up, it will go down, and it will form a pattern, and like it will go up and down. Basically the price will go to 100 and come to 50 and again go to 200, like that. So this is how it goes. So with the help of the candlestick only the price will move. So that is one thing. Okay, so I'll remove this one. You see this, guys, there is in green color, in red color. So these candles are not all the candles are same. Okay, look, some candles are in different, some candles have some kind of lines there, some is very small, some is very big. So there is something we have to understand from this candlesticks. Okay, so that's what I'm going to teach. So this video will take some time, but you must have to understand about candlesticks so that you can able to learn about swing trading and then move to the next video. Okay, so I will move here. So basically candlestick is the language of price movement. Okay, so take a look on this. There is a green color candle. Green color candle indicates the bullish. If the price moves from 100 to 105, 110, then it will appear in a blue color. Sorry, in a green color. If the price comes down, for example, from 100 to 90, 90 to 80, then the candle will form in a red color. So bullish candles are always in green color and bearish candles are always in red color. So don't get confused, guys. If you cannot able to get what I am telling, just watch this video like 1 or 2 times, then surely you will get it. So don't think that it could not be understood like that. If you are first time hearing about candlestick, surely it will look like something different, but it's not different. You just have to see it again and again, and then you will come to an understanding. So this one, 1 minute, I'll just, 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, first I will explain you here, then we will go to the trading view and I will explain here. Okay, so what happened here, for example, the price started here, okay, and it went down, like let's take this as 90. Okay, sorry for my bad handwriting. Okay, so it came down and again it went up. Just assume this as 120 area. So again it tried to go up to this place like 130, but it could not go up, and again it came down. So you can see this small lines. Okay, here also there are small lines. This lines is called wick. It is nothing but where and all the price moved, this kind of wick will form, but the price has finally moved. For example, from 100 to 130 it has tried to move, but due to some selling pressure, it came back to 120 and closed in 120. Okay, so and here from 100 to 90 it went down, but due to some buying pressure, what happened? The price again moved up, it came back. So this is a wick that indicates that the price moved also this area, the price also moved to this area, but finally it is closed only here. Okay, this is called candle. Okay, so up to what area it went, that is high. Up to what area it went in the bottom, that is the low. So I hope this is understandable. Okay, so I will explain you guys more in the chart. I will explain you, so don't get confused. So this is in green color, sorry, this is in red color. So red color candle is something which comes down. Okay, so it opened here, the price opened here for 100, then it tried to move here up to, okay, let's assume this 120 itself. Okay, the price started at 120 and it tried to move up to 130, but there are lot of sellers. Okay, so due to selling pressure, the shares got sold and the price came down up to this area. It tried to move up to this area, but it cannot able to reach this area, so it went up again here and closed here. Okay, so here the low and here is the high, so it came down and closed here, so and a candle formed. So now I'll go to the chart and explain you. Okay, so in chart it is not going to be exactly same, but it's going to be little bit different, but you can understand it. So look at this, guys. This candle shows that after this down move, the price moved up very well. Like look at this candle. Okay, so here if you see, I keep my cursor here. What is the price here? It's 410. So from 410 it moved up to, we can see the small wick here, like this. It moved up to 434, but there were some sellers, so it came down up to this place, like 433. It has been closed on what date? On October 1st 2025, just for example. Okay, and the next day what happened? There is another candle which has formed here. The price, so this is a red candle. Okay, it has started here and the price tried to move up. It tried to move up to this place, but it came back again, and what happened? The price came up to this place and closed here. So this is a bearish candle. Green is a bullish candle, this is a bearish candle. So wherever the price goes, that candle will automatically form. Okay, so this is how all the candles will form. Now I'll explain you what are the types of candle. So there are many types of candle. So you can see bullish, doji, hammer, bearish, and bearish engulfing, bullish marabozu, bearish marabozu, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, evening star, dragonfly, gravestone, morning star. So these are the types of candlesticks. Okay, I will show you in the chart. You see here, when there is no wick in the top and the bottom, that is called as marabozu. Okay, so this is bearish marabozu candle, because the pressure, this selling has happened, a lot of selling has happened here. But look at this candle, this is a bullish marabozu. because the wick is very small in the top and the bottom, but the body, so this is the body, this is the wick. Okay, the single line, small lines coming in the top, no, this is the wick and this is the body. So the body is huge and the wick is very small. So this is called bullish Marabosu. Okay, so this is one candle. And bullish Doji. This means whenever whenever a price after moving up like in uptrend and when it falls down at this area, any candles like this, see, like this bullish Doji. So actually bullish Doji is, it will be like this only guys. Clearly we can see here. Like bullish Doji. Like this. It's very clear. So the price came down and after that at the bottom it should form. If this candle formed here or here or here, it is not valuable. It should form always at the bottom. Okay, it should be always at the bottom. And when that candle forms, what will happen next? The price will go up. Okay, the price will start to go up, but don't confuse, it should form in the bottom. So that is one thing. And one more candle is hammer candle. Hammer candle is also, look here, one kind of hammer candle formed, but price came down because it is not the bottom. So look, this is a kind of hammer. Okay, hammer means it looks like hammer guys. You can see that this both candles are like same. This hammer candle has formed here. Look, there is a wick down. There is a wick in the bottom and the body will look like this. Okay, so that's how a hammer candle will form. So whenever a hammer candle formed at the bottom, the price starts go up. Okay, and bearish Maraboso, which is opposite to bearish Doji, which is opposite to the bullish Doji. So this will form at the top. Whenever the price goes up, the price went up. Okay, so look at this one. It is there. So look at this one. Okay, bearish Doji. Doji means it will be like this guys. There is no body. Okay, their body will not be there. Only the wicks formed, and after that the price came down. Okay, so this is one of the candle. These candles are powerful only at the particular time. So this candle should form at the bottom. This candle should form at the top. This candle should form after a downtrend only. Downtrend in the sense when the price goes down like this. So this one, yeah, this is the one. So it came down. The price came down and it should form here. And then only the price starts moving up. Okay. Simply it won't move up. It should form in the bottom and then only it will move up. So this is bearish engulfing. Okay. So bearish engulfing is, okay, I'll tell you. When a price is moving up, let's take the price is moving up, and there will be a green, after that there will be a red candle which engulfs the green candle. Okay, that is bearish engulfing, and if this happens, the price starts to come down. Okay, so this candle should happen at the top. So bearish means red candle, it will come down. Bullish means green candle, it will take the price up. Okay, so Marabozu we already saw. Bearish Marabozu same. So Marabozu, there will be no wick, only body, which says that if it is green, there are a lot of buyers waiting to buy the shares, and if it is in red color, that means there are a lot of selling pressures. Okay, so this is one thing. And bullish engulfing, just opposite to the bearish engulfing. This is bullish engulfing. I'll just remove all this dryness. Okay. So this one, bullish engulfing, means when the price comes down like this. When the price is moving up and coming down, same like this one, bullish doji, it should form here. The candle should form here. Once again, I'll try to find any of the candles like that. So basically what happened, lot of red candles are there. So how it should form, in the sense, there will be a red candle like this, and after that there will be a big green candle, then again the green candle, so then it will move up. Okay, so that is called as bullish engulfing. So evening star pattern, morning star pattern mostly don't occur that much. So evening star, same guys, it should form in the bottom, and morning star, it will form in the top. So if this formed in the top and if this formed in the bottom, it is not valid, because the green candle is here, which signs that it is moving up. After that there is a small doji, and after that there is a red candle which is trying to pull the share price down. Okay, so these are the types of candlesticks that most effectively I use. There are many candlesticks, but that all candlesticks most work that much properly, so I always stick with these candlesticks. So what I will tell is, open this account, open this trading view and go through the stocks and try to match the candles which I showed here. What is just try to read. It will take at least one day only, guys, to understand the candlesticks, what is bullish doji, what is hammer, and just follow my follow whatever I said in downtrend or uptrend. Just take a look on that and just practicing it, then only you can able to understand it. Okay, so just by seeing the video you cannot able to understand, and just by seeing this video you could not make any trade. This is just a part that you are going to understand what is the candlesticks. You have to learn few more things to start your trading journey. Okay, so if you have any doubt for regarding the candlesticks, just put it in the comment section. I will make sure to reply that. And I think I'm finished. I don't have anything else to share. So that's it, guys. I hope you have learned something about candlesticks. Please put it down if you have any if you need any clarity. Okay, guys, please share it with your friend if you feel this video is informative, and okay, just look at the next video, that will be helpful. That is the next thing you have to learn. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.